What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO credit card installment programs. Kasi may iba't ibang klaseng installment program na ino-offer si BDO credit cards or si BDO Unibank sa mga credit card holders nila. You know, para mapagaan ang monthly payments ng clients nila. Ito, purchase convert, merong balance transfer, may balance convert, at the same time, may cash installment. So, pag-uusapan natin ngayon yung kaibahan ng apat na yan. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong isi-share na mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So here guys, unahin ko na yung cash installment guys. So when we say cash installment sa BDO credit card, ano yun? Parang mangyayari is yung credit limit nyo is ilo-loan nyo siya. Tapos may special offer minsan na umaabot lang ng 0.32%. O di ba laking tipid nun? Kasi imagine if you have BDO credit card tapos may worth millions of credit limit ka tapos ilo-loan mo yung 1 million sa 0.32% lang na interest rate per month. Di ba sobrang laking tipid compared to personal loan na pumapalo sa 1.75% kadalasan. Si BDO kasi minsan yung personal loan interest rate is nasa 1.25%. Si BPI naman is nasa 1.55%. So, compared to credit card, cash installment ni credit card, umaabot minsan ng 0.32%. Tapos, yung regular interest rate niya is 1% lamang. Pero guys, ito take note lang ha. Baka kasi isipin nyo na pag may credit card kayo, automatic na qualified siya for 0.32% interest rate per month. Hindi siya ganun. Ino-offer siya ni BDO sa inyo. Magte-text sila sa inyo. Tapos kung hindi mo pansinin yung text message, tatawagan ka nila, i-offer nila yung offer nila na 0.32% lang for a certain period of time like 2 years or 3 years. So, yung maximum payment terms kasi ni BDO cash installment is 3 years. So, ganun yung sa cash installment, guys. Again, huwag nyo pong isipin na pupunta kayo sa bangko para mag-avail na 0.32%. Hindi po ganun. Si bank po yung magdidesisyon yun at i-email po nila kayo or tatawagan. Yung regular interest rate ng cash installment sa BDO credit card is 1%. Then, meron din silang purchase convert. So, when we say purchase convert kasi guys, yung pinamili mo, like, magte-text si BDO deal sa inyo, ganun din yung sa cash installment. If may offer na 0.32%, BDO deals yung magpapadala sa inyo. Tulad na ito, si purchase convert. So, if ever na-qualified kayo for a certain percentage or promo, ito-text nila kayo sa mobile number na naka-register doon sa credit card ninyo. What I mean is, nung nag-apply kayo, kung ano yung nilagay nyo na mobile number, doon nila ipapadala. Kaya naman, make sure lang guys na yung mobile number na yun na ginamit nyo nung nag-apply kayo is active siya para ma-receive nyo lahat ng notifications ni BDO regarding their promos. So, purchase convert. So, ito guys, 3,000 pataas. 3,000 pataas bago kayo ma-qualify for i-purchase convert. So, yung bawa bumili kayo sa supermarket, 3,000 plus yung naging bill ninyo, pwede nyo i-convert yon into installment. I-convert nyo siya from the word itself, purchase convert. So, yung madalas na interest rate niya is 1% din. Ngayon, kung may offer, umabot minsan ng 0.88%, ino-offer na binababaan, may 0.32 din, 0.45, 0.49. Depende siya sa offer ni BDO. Kaya naman kung good payer kayo, madalas offeran kayo ng mas mababang rates for purchase convert installment. Then ngayon, let's move on to balance transfer. So when we say balance transfer, guys, is yung balance nyo sa ibang credit card. Like for example, may credit card kayo sa East West, sa Metrobank, sa BPI, or sa PNB, China Bank, diba? Ibang bangko yung credit card na yon. Ngayon, gusto nyo ilipat dito sa sa BDO credit card ninyo. So, minsan naman nag-o-offer sila ng 0.45%, as you can see, is balance transfer low rate. Is transfer credit card balances from other banks and pay on installment for as low as 5.45% monthly add-on rate. So, madalas yun guys, ino-offer din nila to. Kasi kasama to sa cash installment or installment programs ni BDO. So ito, meron din silang balance transfer special rate na umaabot din ng 0.49%. Transfer credit card balances from other banks and pay on installment for as low as 0.49% monthly add-on rate. Then meron din dito, balance transfer is 0.88%, transfer credit card balances from other banks and pay on installment for as low as 0.88% monthly add-on rate. So ito naman sa balance transfer guys, uulitin ko, mula ito sa ibang bangko. May credit card kayo ng ibang bangko like BPI, DBP, or di kaya East West, Metrobank. Ililipat nyo ngayon yung balance dito. So may offer sila minsan na 0.45%, may 0.49%, may 0.88%. Tapos, yung regular interest rate nandito guys is 1%. Then yan, let's move on naman sa balance convert. So, when we say balance convert naman guys, halimbawa may balance kayo sa credit card nyo sa BDO, tapos hindi nyo kayang bayaran. So, kung magkano yun, halimbawa 300,000, tapos ipapa-convert nyo siya into installment. So, ganito, yung nangyayari is balance convert low rate. So, meron silang convert your outstanding balance to installment for as low as 0.60% monthly add-on rate. So, paiba-iba yung rate, guys, kung napapansin ninyo. Tapos, meron din dito, balance convert special rate is convert your outstanding balance to installment for as low as 0.78% monthly add-on rate. So, iba-iba yung rate. And meron din dito, balance convert at 1%. Ito yung regular interest rate, guys, yung 1%. Convert your outstanding BDO credit cards to installment. So, yung outstanding balance ng BDO credit card ninyo is i-convert nyo into installment. So, yung 1% guys is yun yung regular interest rate ng balance convert. So, ganun yun guys. So, like for example dito guys, as you can see, pay your holiday purchases on installment. Since ngayon ay January, nag-record ako ngayon January. So, time will come, paiba-iba yung promo ni BDO. Disclaimer lang po, hindi po ito all the time holiday. Paiba-iba siya. Since ngayon ay January, so yung mga ginamit nyo nung December, since holiday season, pinapa-convert sa inyo for as low as 0.49% low rate. So as you can see guys here, convert recent purchased installments to 0.49% monthly add-on rate. Promo period December 1, 2025 to May 31, 2026. So, isang taon din yung iraran ng promo na ito. And then nandito, meron din sila para sa purchase convert special rate, umabot ng 0.88%. So, tip ko na lang siguro sa inyo guys is you have to wait for their promo na o-offeran kayo ng ganitong rate lang kasi para makatipid kayo. Compared naman kasi kung i-avail nyo yung 1%, medyo mataas din. Tapos mamaya may offer pala na 0.45%. O diba, 0.55% din yung na-save ninyo. Laking tipid din talaga. Kasi parang ano to, ang nangyari is konsuelo ni BDO sa clients nila since they are paying annual fees sa BDO credit cards. Kasi walang credit card si BDO na walang annual fee for life eh. Talagang pwede lang ma-waive yung credit card annual fee nila sa credit cards nila. Pero when we say annual fee for life, no annual fee for life, wala silang credit card na ganun. Kaya naman doon sila bumabawi. Minsan nga nag-offer sila ng 3 months na 0% interest rate. Tapos yung babayaran mo lang is yung processing fee. So yun lamang guys. So sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!